everyone. This will be, well, I guess the final video on our game. There was an awful lot of videos on the game, so I'll just keep this short. This is actually just a more compressed version of the main game, the updated version, and the block and affine ciphers. To keep this short, I have prepared the answer scheme, so I'll just copy and paste the answers since they're especially the ones in the main game, they're pretty lengthy. Alright, so we'll go straight to okay, we'll just go we'll start off with the block and affine ciphers. Question set, we're given the set and then the permutation key, and we're given the question. These are relatively short, so I can just easily answer them. Alright, the second question, Alex replied, so Emily likes to play with her sister, guess the animal game, and this is the key. 5x plus 8 mod 26. Alright. This one. Same key, just a different animal. Okay, same key, different animal. So now we're off to the main game. The main game's answers are relatively long and it takes some time to load it up because there's a lot of functions to do with the game. So I'll just be copying the answers from now. Intro video. So I'll just, let you guys watch the video a bit. rules of the main game. I'll just go through it a little bit. So you should identify things that are sold and thrown and the hidden items in the house. So the value it's pretty subjective. You can choose which are sold or thrown, but there's only one answer. So when you get it wrong, you'll get a hint arranging every single item in order already, and all you have to do is just find all the hidden items and arrange them according to the sequence of the parent item. So if you get a hint, you will already know what's the arrangement of the hidden items as well, and at that point all you have to do is just choose where the semicolons go. So endings will be attained according to your answer, so think carefully. So because like if you get anything wrong in the rooms, then you will obtain an ending. Okay, so spacing and commas matter. So answer, comma, space, answer. So end the last answer without space. So here's a really detailed guide on how to answer. And if the object is numbered, like maybe answer 1, then comma, space, answer 2. So separate the categories with a semicolon. So it's just like this. So the arrangement of items matter. Arrange the translation in the answer box, and the hidden items follow the parent item arrangement. So just provide the answers that have been encrypted, like this. Alright, so let's go on to the first room. This is the doors. So hovering is really important here. All you have to do is hover and you will get an inscription here. It says you have to solve that with Shift Cipher 7. So after finding all of the clues, whatever is behind this door, then you've got to solve it and then click the right door to open. So the right door is actually this one. Okay, so there's like a lot of items in this room. There's about 10 items per room, and as I said, hovering is pretty important. So when you hover, if there's an inscription that says there seems to be something hidden here, then you have to click on it and you would have found something. Okay, so you should try to hover like twice and then give it a second to appear. So for example, this one doesn't have anything, then you don't have to worry about it. This has something, but yeah, you get the idea. So now I'm just going to copy and paste the answer scheme. So these are the answers. Items here, the ones that are thrown are separated with a semicolon. The pictures seem to be thrown, and the hidden items are here. So once you press confirm, if you are correct, then you move on to the second room. So this is the kitchen, and it follows the same, except the shift key used here is different. Just now it was Caesar cipher. Okay, moving on, we'll move on to the dining room. So it's the same again, hovering and then finding the hidden items. Okay, since correct, then we'll move on to the last room, cellar. Okay, so in the previous video, these were all in plain text, so after the update it's all been changed again. So we're correct, so we'll obtain the final ending. This is the true ending of the game, and if you have gotten anything wrong in the doors and any of the other rooms, then including the cellar, then you will get another ending. So the true ending is the only one that's not that bad. It's still, I mean, I'm planning, I guess after this project is over, I'll probably like develop this into like a sequel or something. So it's a very ambiguous ending. So that's the final ending. I'll just show you what happens if you get anything wrong. So, okay, any of the doors, this one for example translates to electric chair. This is pool of acid. So let's try electric chair. You would get an ending. You can watch it a bit. this is the mode of death you have burned from the electric chair. So it's not you, but it's your bro. So the brothers are leaving their dead brother in the house, and then the house is left unexplored. So that's the ending. Okay, so now let's see what happens when we get anything in the rooms wrong. So I'm just gonna erase this answer. Confirm. Okay, I'm wrong. And this hint will appear, so it'll arrange everything in the order it's supposed to be, but all you have to do is just, mark whichever part is the semicolon, because it's all separated in commas here. So at this point you can even guess like, oh, where's the semicolon, and then afterwards the hidden items, you just arrange it according to this arrangement. So after this hint, you can just try as much as you want and you will eventually get the answer. So now since you've seen the hint, then this ending appears. It's different from the previous form. So the brothers seem to have chickened out and left the house. So this is sort of like supernatural. You can infer it to, the dad, displeased dad. Okay, so that's all for the endings. Any mistakes made in each room will lead to the same ending. So only if you get everything right, then you move on to the true ending. So that's about it for this video. Thank you.